We will concentrate on the paging concept. Let us go through it. What is paging? Paging is a memory management scheme that eliminates the need for contiguous allocation of physical memory. This scheme permits the physical address space of a process to be non-contiguous. Let us understand the paging hardware. In order to understand the paging hardware, we need to know some terms used there. Let us understand them one by one. First is logical address or virtual address, which is an address generated by the CPU. Then we have logical address space or virtual address space, which is set of all logical addresses generated by a program or CPU. Physical address is an address actually available on a memory unit or physical memory. Physical address space is again set of all physical addresses corresponding to the logical addresses. Let us understand the terms page and frame. The physical address space is conceptually divided into several fixed size blocks called frames, and the logical address space is also split into fixed size blocks called pages. Here, one thing to remember is page size will be equal to frame size. Now, let us understand how a logical address is represented. The address generated by the CPU is divided into two. One is page number, which represents the page in logical address space, and the other is the page offset, which represents a particular word in a page. Now let us understand how a physical address is represented. The physical address is divided into two. One is the frame number, which represents the frame of physical address space or the fth frame. Then we have frame offset, which represents a particular word in a frame. Now let us understand what are page table and physical memory. This is how a page table looks. It has two columns, one for page number and the other for frame number. And coming to the physical memory, this is how a physical memory looks. It is divided into number of frames, each holding one page, since we learned that the frame size is equal to page size.
Created using Powtoon.